In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Notion. We're going to build a simple, reliable setup that calculates a difference between two values in a Notion database. This is perfect for things like budgets, savings goals, inventory counts, or any scenario where you want to see how much remains after subtracting one number from another. Start by creating a database and choose the table view. The table view is ideal here because it displays properties as columns, makes formulas easy to read, and lets you see your results at a glance. If you already have a database you want to use, you can follow along in that one. Just switch it to a table view so it's easier to work with. Next, add two number properties. Create a new column and name it amount needed, then set its type to number. Create another column named amount, saved, and also set it to number. Using the number type is important because formulas won't calculate correctly if the properties are set to text. If you are working with money, consider adjusting the number format to currency and setting the number of decimal places to match your needs. Clear labels help a lot. So keep the names descriptive and consistent. Now add one more property and set its type to formula. You can give this property a name that reflects the result you want to see, such as remaining or difference, so you instantly know what the column represents. Click inside the formula editor and enter this formula, substituting your own property names if they're different. Prop amount needed minus prop amount saved. Make sure the names inside the quotes match your column titles exactly. Once you confirm the formula, Notion will calculate the result for every row in the table. You should now see the difference update automatically as you enter values. For example, if amount needed is 500 and amount saved is 150, the formula will display 350 in your formula column. If you ever see a negative number, that simply means the saved amount is greater than what was needed, which can be useful if you want to track overages. A few quick tips as you use this. If you rename either of the number properties later, open the formula and update the names to match. Keep your data types consistent, especially if you import or paste numbers from elsewhere. And watch out for stray text or symbols in number cells. Finally, remember that the formula column calculates per row, so each entry in your table will have its own result based on the values you enter. That's all you need to subtract numbers in Notion with a clean, dependable setup. Thanks for watching.